Scientists have detected several thousand earthquakes near Greece's island of Santorini, raising concerns about potential volcanic activity. The tremors, which have been recorded over a short period, are being closely monitored by seismologists to assess whether they could signal an impending eruption or other volcanic events. Santorini is an active volcanic region, known for its massive eruption in ancient times, and the recent seismic activity has drawn attention from both local authorities and the scientific community.